Hello everyone. Welcome to this tutorial on how to convert PDFs into images online for free. The BoldSign PDF to image converter requires no sign-up. It's completely free for both personal and business use and keeps your data private. Everything happens right in your browser. Imagine a scenario where you receive a multi-page PDF brochure and need individual pages as images for social media. Instead of taking screenshots, you can use this PDF to image converter to turn the entire PDF into high-quality, ready-to-post images quickly. Let's dive in. Start by opening your browser and visiting the BoldSign Convert PDFs into Images Online page. You'll find the link in the video description. Here's how it works. Upload your PDFs. Customize image settings such as quality and format. And download your images. Move to the Convert PDFs into Images Upload box. Here, you can drag and drop your PDF files or click Upload to attach them. In this example, I'll upload the required PDF file by clicking the Upload button. Once uploaded, you'll be redirected to the PDF to Image page, where the files are instantly converted into images. Next, go to the Export Settings section. Choose the image format you want, such as PNG, JPG, or WebP. Then set the image quality from the available options and proceed to download all the images. See how easy it is to convert PDFs to images. You can also apply other customizations to enhance your images. For each converted PDF, you can expand the file if it has multiple pages. Rotate images to the desired orientation. Preview them. Download them. Or delete them if not needed. For multi-page PDFs, you can remove unwanted pages by expanding the file, locating the page image, and clicking the delete icon, or selecting it and clicking delete. If you missed uploading a file, you can still add it by clicking the Add PDF button. To view all the images, select them and click Show All Images. You can also delete all images by clicking Delete. You can change the view from a grid to list and vice versa. Now, let's explore the export settings. Currently, supported formats include PNG, JPG, and WebP, each with its own quality options. If you choose PNG, you need to specify the DPI. The default DPI is 150, but you can adjust it using the drop-down menu. If you choose JPG or WebP, you need to set both the quality percentage and the DPI value. In this example, I'll choose JPG. Set the quality percentage from the preset values, and select the DPI from the drop-down options. Finally, let's look at the download options. You can download all the images or only selected ones. If you uploaded multiple PDFs, but only need specific page images, select the images you want. Click the Download drop-down and choose Download Selected Images. In this case, I'll download all images by selecting Download All Images. A zip file containing all images will be downloaded to your device. If you uploaded multiple PDFs, the zip file will include folders named after each document, with their respective images inside. Opening the images reveals clear, professional, watermark-free results. The BoldSign PDF to image converter gives you control when transforming your documents into high-quality images. Every page is captured with precision. You have flexible export settings, and your workflow is smooth and efficient. Try it today on the BoldSign website. We also have other free tools that can further enhance your workflow, so check out the videos for them on our channel. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.